Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman, and in this video we are going to learn about linear regression in ML with Python. And with that we are going to practice that in the Jupyter notebook by using some data sets, and then we are going to practice there. So guys, for learning and practicing these things we need to have some libraries installed on your computer like NumPy, Matplotlib, pandas, scikit-learn and some more. So guys, as usual, I am going to use here the Jupyter notebook. So if you don't have the environment set up on your computer of the Anaconda, so I will be giving the link in the description below, so you can go there and watch the video and set up your computer with your environment. Now, first of all, let's open the Jupyter notebook and then let's install these libraries on your computer. Now here I have already opened the Jupyter notebook and I have already created this file on my computer. Now here I am going to download this from other way, like giving exclamation mark pip install pandas. Now run this program. So guys, we have another way of installing, like you can open the terminal here, Anaconda terminal, and you can type here something like conda install pandas, like that. So we can also download like this also. Now I am going to install the matplotlib. Now let's run this one. Here I am going to install another one. Okay, now install matplotlib. Now in this one I am going to install the scikit-learn pip install sklearn learn. Now I am going to use the exclamation mark. Okay, run this program. Here also you can give the pip install mdl. So guys, I didn't talk about the use of these libraries. So first of all, let's talk it about. So first of all, what is the use of Quandl in here? So Quandl is a platform that provides its users with economic, financial, business and alternative data sets. So from there you can download the users data. You just can download the free data, we can buy the paid data and sell the data on the Quandl. So I'm going to show you the website, like quandl.com. So from this website you can search for any data like Google. Now if I search for this one, I will be having lot of data sets from where I can buy this one. So I have some options like free. If I click on this free, you can see all this one. Now I don't want this one, so there will be a code if I show you here. If I open this one, so anyhow guys, no problem. Now I am going to clear all of these things here, and in this one I want to use the Quandl. Like there will be a code like something like slash or something like that for that data set. So I have the code, so I am going to start that one. So guys, before doing that one, I want to talk about scikit-learn. So what is scikit-learn or sklearn you can talk about? Scikit-learn is probably the most useful library for machine learning in Python. The scikit-learn library contains a lot of efficient tools for machine learning, statistical modeling, including classification, regression, clustering and dimensional reduction. And so anyhow guys, let's go ahead and get started. So we know all of these libraries right now. Now I am going to import these libraries. First of all, let's import the pandas as pd, and then I want to import the mdl. Let's run this program. Now in this one here I am going to create a variable known as df equals to data frame mdl and dot get. In this one I'm going to, so guys, one more thing we can do here is from the Quandl we can choose the data sets from the online, we can choose it from the cloud, we can also download the data sets and we can also use it on the cloud, but I am going to use the code for that one. Now I have the code wiki /gwgl. Now I should not give this. Well, so guys, I am not able to find that data set, so that's why I know this code, so I am going to use this one. Now let's run it. So guys, it's going to read this whole data set and then it's going to use. Now here I am going to print that data set. If I want to see this one, def f and run it. So guys, as you can see here, these are the 3000 to 3424 rows and 12 columns are there in this one. So there are not some columns not shown in this one, but guys, I want to see the first 10 or 20 lines of this row. Now for giving that one, we can give the head and run it again. We can see 1 2 3 4 5. So guys, we are able to see these 5 rows from this column. Now we have this column known as date. We have the open, high, low, close. We have all of these things. So guys, one more thing we can do here is, instead of giving def head, we can see it in another way by giving print at the end of this one, another bracket, save it and run it. So you can, as you can see here guys, we are able to see like this also by just giving print df dot head. So guys, as you can see here on the screen, we have the data, and but we have maybe a bit much more. So we have some much more data right now. So now to reference the data, there exists an entire machine learning category that aims to reduce the amount of the input that we process. Now in our case, we have this one. Now we have to make some changes to this one. Now I am going to create a variable again. So df equals data frame equals to, and again df, and from this one I want to change these things. Now in this one here, I have already copied and I have written that one. Now I am going to paste this one. So guys, as you can see here, I have the adjust open. So we have the adjust open and adjust high, adjust low, adjust close and adjust volume. So I have written already and I have copied, so there will be no much more time based on the video. Now we have to make some more changes here right now. So we have the df here right now, we have the print df right now. So let's leave this one first of all, and below this one let's create a df, and in this one let's type in. So anyway guys, as you can see here, I have written this one. Now what I'm doing is I'm using the same data here only, and I'm going to create a new data frame here itself. Guys, now let's save it. Now guys, before doing this one, we have the HCL I should get, I think. Okay, no problem. Now guys, we have to make some changes here, like we have the HL and these things, and I'm going to create a data frame as I said you. So guys, for doing this one, I'm going to, we have the adjust high and minus from the data frame only. We have this column, like where is this one, as adjust high column, we have the adjust high column. Okay, and from adjust high column I want to minus the adjust low column. Okay, now I'm going to minus this column, and then I'm going to divide by the adjust close, and then I'm going to multiply it by the 100. So now guys, below this one I'm going to paste here another block, another line here. Now I want to tell about like what it works, how it works. So guys, this column, this creates a new column, that is the percentage symbol, and then it will be spread based on the closing price, which is our current measure of the quality. So right now guys, I have to create our data frame, okay, data set. Anyhow guys, now I am going to paste another line for creating that data line. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to make here some spaces, and again, okay. Now as you can see here, we have the data frame will be like this, like adjust close will be one column, and HL PCT will be called one column, PCT change will be one column, and adjust volume will be one column. Now guys, I am going to run this one. So let's run it, and it's going to take some time because we are going to create a data set here. So guys, as you can see here, it just now ran this one. Now I am going to, so our data frame has been created right now. So I am going to see our data frame. Let's run it by giving print df dot head ead. Now let's run them. So guys, as you can see here, we have the adjust close, HL PCT, we have the change, adjust volume. Now so guys, as you can see here, we have the data, and we have the data. So we have the data, and we have created the data set right now. So anyway guys, no problem, we have done this one. So guys, that's all for this video. So if you have any questions, please give that in the comments below, and please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.